family orientated, parks at every corner, beautiful walking paths that you can take your kids or your family on a hot summer day or your furry friends for a walk. Convenience, co-op gas, liquor stores, Tim Hortons, and a daycare right around the corner. How about having schools minutes away? How about having Costco, Walmart, all the shopping you could want, 5 minutes up the road? Welcome to Sage Hill, where my brand new listing is situated on a quiet street with this right around the corner. You're not gonna wanna miss it. Let's take a look. All right, I know you already love the house, but let me show you one of my favorite parts. It's not where you're standing in the updated kitchen. It's not these gorgeous hardwood floors. It's actually right here. The main level living area with these beautiful vaulted ceilings, which really make the space feel large, perfect for entertaining. But you also overlook your gorgeous west facing backyard, perfect for those hot summer evenings after the football game or after the NHL playoffs. All right, I know you already want to move in to one of my favorite communities in all of Calgary. If you want more information on your new home, my information's below. Give me a call. Or if you just want to see crazy property tours around Calgary, hit subscribe and I'll see you on the next one.